Очередной раз попадается соперник с гиперкрутым составом? Ты можешь позволить себе такой же, благодаря продавцу монет Ване Мухину. Ссылка в описании.
Oh my days! Patrick Vieira! No! No! It's real, ladies and gentlemen! It's real! It's real! It's real! It's real! It's real! Oh my god, Patrick Vieira! How did I pack a legend? A legend still in pack? How much is it? Maximum price 2 mil? He's selling for 1 million coins. Jesus Christ! Thank you, EA! Oh my days! The pack opening was being so bad!
Like, it's pretty crazy. No! Dude! Oh my god. Dude! I literally just went to a foot draft to quit it. We got a free pack from the foot draft. The best free pack ever. That's what we're titling this video, dude. Legend in a free pack, man. It's a good legend. Look at that, dude. We just had legends shirts. I knew. Didn't we say we were gonna get a legend? We said that, dude. It's like so perfect, like so perfect, dude. Look at that first owner right there. You know what I'm talking about, man.
Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh my fucking god! These packs are fucking lit! These packs are fucking lit! Holy shit!
Андефикс собрать охуительный состав. Ебать! Вот! Нестерой! Ебать, моя первая легенда! Охуеть! Первая легенда выпала! Ебать! Вот Нестерой! Спасибо! Спасибо, EA Sports! Ебать! Как только я сказал, что я хочу сыграть в вагере вроде Андефикс с достойным составом, и мне выпадает легенда, ребят! Легенда Ван Нистельрой, мать его! Я боюсь смотреть, сколько он стоит. Просто боюсь. Смотрите, это не фейк, если вы думаете, что это фейк какой-то. Вот. Я щелкаю сюда, иду до конца, возвращаюсь. Это, блядь, ёбаный не фейк нихуя. Смотрим, сколько он стоит, ребят. Смотрим, сколько он стоит. Ебать! И он стоит... Боже, я богат. Я просто... Я, блядь, богат, ребята. Я богат. Он стоит больше $500 000 монет.
3 more packs to go. Oh, boys! We got ourselves a legend! Lumberg! Oi! I was not expecting that. I was about to say, only 4 packs to go and got a good side. Oi! I just got... I just got a legend, a pack and play. All things we getting. Maybe I should be opening packs. Jesus. Nice. 86 rated Lumberg in that pack. He goes into my side. Already got a right midfielder, but who cares? I've got a legend.
Oh my god, it's not Suarez, it's another legend! Another one!
Another one.
Zanetti, the first time I've ever packed Zanetti ever on FIFA, and today with Foot United it has happened, my friend. What a pack! Another legend in a pack!
Oh my god. What the hell is it with me getting legends in packs that literally don't matter? For God's sake, like, I literally opened those Lunar packs and I was like, alright, sound, I'm not going to react to any more of them because I just need some coins for the Ultimate Team episode that I'm trying to record right now. I must have opened about 100k's worth of packs like that I wasn't planning to put into a pack opening this year.
Hold up.